In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Outlook not downloading attachments when you're using Outlook on the web. It's a common issue that many Outlook users have encountered at one time or another, and it can be really frustrating, especially when you need to access important documents. But don't worry, we're going to walk through a few simple but effective steps that should help you resolve this problem and get those attachments downloading again. Let's start by addressing one of the simplest potential solutions. Sometimes the web session might experience a bit of a glitch. This can happen for various reasons, like a temporary connection issue or a session timeout. The first thing you should try is refreshing the page. It sounds straightforward, but it can often clear up minor hiccups. Simply click on the refresh button at the top of your browser window, or hit the F5 key on your keyboard. If refreshing doesn't work, the next step is to sign out of Outlook completely. Once you've signed out, wait a few moments before signing back in. Sometimes resetting your session this way can resolve underlying issues. After you've logged back in, try downloading your attachments again to see if the problem is resolved. In case refreshing didn't do the job, or logging out and back in wasn't successful, let's explore our second solution. Trying a different browser. Outlook on the web is designed to work efficiently across various browsers, but compatibility or specific settings might cause issues with certain ones. The best options to try are Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. These browsers are widely used and tend to offer the most consistent performance when it comes to web applications like Outlook. So if you're experiencing issues in one browser, switch to another and attempt to download your attachments there. If changing browsers doesn't make a difference, then let's consider the possibility that your browser may be blocking downloads without you realizing it. Enabling browser downloads is crucial for allowing files to be saved onto your device. Let's go through how to adjust these settings in both Chrome and Edge. In Google Chrome, you'll want to open the Settings menu first. From there, navigate to Privacy and Security, and then Site Settings. Once you're in Site Settings, check the settings for automatic downloads. Make sure that downloads are allowed for Outlook, so your attachments can be downloaded without any issues. Now, if you're using Microsoft Edge, go to the Settings menu there and then click on Downloads. Similarly to Chrome, you'll want to ensure that downloads are allowed from the Outlook site. Enabling this can often solve the problem and let you download your attachments successfully. By following these solutions, you should be able to fix the issue with downloading attachments in Outlook on the web. Sometimes it's just a matter of refreshing things or tweaking a few settings here and there. Hopefully, one of these methods has helped you solve the issue and you're back to accessing your attachments with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.